Diatom. The scientific name of diatom is Chrysophyta. First point is diatom or unicellular. Unicellular means they consist of only single cell. Second point is a diatom has no locomotory organ. They move by water current. Next point is diatom pigment are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoid, and fucoxanthin. In plant, chlorophyll A absorb dark green light and chlorophyll C absorb blue light and transfer this light toward chlorophyll A. Carotenoid absorb orange and yellow light and mostly present in tomatoes, etc. Fucoxanthin absorb golden light. Diatom has two shells. Next point is diatom has two shells. These shells are like compartments. The shell made of silica. Silica is present mostly in stones, brick, etc. Upper shell is called epitheca. Lower shell is called hypotheca. They are joined by grindle bands. Next point is diatom present in aquatic ecosystem mean they are present in both freshwater and marine water. Next point is diatom are important source of food in aquatic ecosystem. The example of diatom are fricolaria and pinolaria.